Let's upload photos to a Picaggo album via WhatsApp. Go to your event album and click on Upload via WhatsApp. Next, agree to the terms and conditions. This will open a WhatsApp chat with Picaggo, where you can add photos to an album just like how you would send them to a friend. If you want to choose a specific folder or sub-album to add your photos, type Change Album and then select the appropriate one from the list. Select the photos you would like to add, and now you're all set. Click on the event link to view the rest of the event photos and enjoy. So that's how you upload photos using WhatsApp. Write to us at friends@picaggo.com for any queries.